Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's OP video update optimism for Friday 5th of August, and we've seen OP actually making the most that it was supposed to be making previously as well. So what's the current situation? That's what I want to talk about in this update right now. And keep in mind, you do have a little bit of trouble on the RSI for the OP as well. But I do think that maybe that trouble has actually come to an end. Who knows? So what I want to say is the following, right? Um, I want to bring in the EMAs and see what the EMAs are actually doing. So it seems like you might end up finding this place as a big support level. Okay, so that was a support level right there, and it seems like you're pretty much holding the support right now. So all you might see here is you're gonna wait for this thing to actually come up to the top here, which is gonna be 1.829, and then this thing keeps moving sideways, touch the line, touch the 10 EMA, and because you've already made the bullish cross, so the bullish cross happened down there. That's it. Okay, so if you are ever going to retrace, then you're going to be retracing down to the 10. If you ever lose the 10 EMA, then you're going to be looking for OP to come down to nearly this 20 EMA as well. So previously as well, when the prices were moving higher and higher, we actually saw the very same thing happening. So what I'm going to say is the following. Let me just remove all the drawings for a while. This particular scenario that you see, this one right over here, the whole three white soldier and the drop down there, is almost like a repetition of this one right over here. Okay, so this is all pretty much the same. So this bigger version is mirroring the smaller version. So what happened next is that you made the push to the upside and you came down to backtest this level. So if I just remove the drawings again, just check this out. Okay, so you broke out of that level, right? You went a little bit up, got overextended, came down, and you hold this level, and then you moved higher. And that's the same thing that you might be doing. Okay, so you broke out of this level, you went up, you came back for the retest, and from here you're looking to probably continue to that price technical target out of the saucer bottom that I talked about before, and that was this saucer bottom right over there. You've broken out of the saucer bottom, you hold the resistance, and you're looking to actually go up to that $4.3, and that's your technical target. And that's it for this OP update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.